So come on, come on, stay.
Out of your mouth, you
So say, pa.
Someone else I miss, but I know you miss your old self too.
Hi fam. So guys, today I want to do my pedicure. I do this once in a while. I think once in 3 months or once in 4 months, I can't remember. So I want to do it now. I have everything ready. So this is my scraper. I got this from Nigeria, but you can also get it on Amazon, and I think I've seen it in Poundland as well. So yeah, let's start.
Let me start it.
Start what? Products, and I'll be using this scrub. This is my product, Cyndycjaysignature. Can you guys see? It's a scrub. Oh, they've paid me. PayPal have paid me. The job will work.
Mom, don't do it, John. That still is too hard.
Easy.
Lie down.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not real.
It feels so. Like some oil. Massage oil.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many
Script. A leg here. Script here. It's bleeding. So yeah, my feet feels so lovely. Like, I like how my feet feels. Yeah. Oh god, you guys will not even understand how happy I am that I've done this finally, because I've been procrastinating it. I'll do it today, I'll do it tomorrow. So finally I've done it, and I'm so happy about it. And on my right leg I got a wound while I was scraping. I got distracted. My kids, they were showing me something. I didn't know when I went to scrape on top of my feet. It's hurting, it is, but I know I'll be fine. But the most important thing is that my feet feels like that of a baby, and I'm so happy about that. So yeah. And I applied this my Glow organic oil as well as this rose massage oil. So this one is my product.
Why does it taste yummy?
What's that?
This thing.
What is this thing called?
Potato. potato.
Which potato? It's not potato, it's okpa.
Okpa.
Not okpa. Okpa. Pa 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 pa.
Mommy, can you look at your place? Okpa.
Not pa 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 pa. Say pa.
Okpa.
Pa.
Pa.
Not pa. Leave this in. Say pa 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 pa.
Pa. Pa. Pa.
Mama, you're saying pa. I did not say pa pa pa. You do your. No pa. So come and try. Come and stay here. So say pa
Pa.
pa pa.
Pa. Pa.
Hey, so is getting it.
Pa. Pa.
You're saying pa pa. It's all pa. So pa the uncle.
Okpa. Goku.
No bo pa pa pa. Pa the uncle.
What can I go a little bit?
You're talking.
No. No, mommy.
Okay. There you go. Okpa. No, this one is yours. Okpa.
Okpa.
So yeah.
Okpa. Okpa.
Okpa.
Okpa.
Okpa. Good, Joe. Nigeria Okpa ló jẹ akẹ́rẹ́ bó tó àgbọ̀ ọ̀gá. Tó kù sí tẹ̀lé sí ẹ̀dẹ̀gbà. Ọ̀gbọ̀n tá kúrò rẹ̀ jẹ̀ máa ń kó tí Nigeria rà bá.
It's following you.
It's following me, yeah.
If you just run, it would just follow you too. I ran it too.
It's following me.
Cheetah.
Hi, children.
Yay!
See mommy behind. Hi, children. Today. Hi, children.
Hi, children.
Today.
Today.
Press and wait. Have you pressed? It's coming up. Today.
Sorry.
Wow, Alefu. Oh, no, la naije batu.
100 run.
0 close.
The best day ever.
Best day ever.
Yes.
That what happened?
That's also screaming.
Going up.
Okay, I'm going up. Go up to elevator so you're still.
Hi, children. Today. So yeah, we are at the car park where we parked our car now, and we'll just pop into the car and then we'll start heading home. Mommy is already waiting at the car. Let me show you guys. So guys, I'm outside now to take the recycle outside. I don't know if you guys can hear me. They come on Tuesdays, and normally it's my husband that normally does this recycle thingy, but he's not home now, so I even forgot to do it Tuesday. So he had to call me to tell me to take the recycle outside for the recycle guys to pick it up. But the thing now is I don't know if I'm late, because when I was upstairs I was hearing sound like as if they were even taking the recycle already. But let me go and check outside. If I look around and if they've taken other people's home, we'll just have to keep it till next week. I think they come weekly. So if they've taken other people's home, I'll just bring back mine. But if they've not taken it, I'll just leave it outside so they can take it whenever they come. So yeah, so that's the recycle. I'm sure I've showed you guys this in my vlog before. So plastic and things go in this red bag, and then paper goes in this one. Paper is this blue bag. So paper and cardboard. Can you guys see the blue? I think these guys have come because I do normally bring it outside. You see, it's empty. It's empty. Can you guys see those ones over there? So that means they've already packed the recycle. Or let me go to the front and check if they've packed the ones in the front. Two entrance, either you're coming through the front or you're coming through the back, like two different streets. Yeah, So the back streets, they've cleared the recycle there. So let me check the front streets now. If they've cleared the ones safe. If they've not, then we are lucky. This one is the ones in the front, they've not cleared it. Lucky. See another one, the one in the front, they've not cleared it. So yeah, they've not cleared the one in the front. We are lucky. So I'll just go grab it now, walk around again, and then drop it in the front. So when they now come to the front street, because my street is, the front is my main street, this back is not even my street, but I pass through the back as well because I'm lucky to have two entrances. So I'll now take it to my street. Yeah, you're lucky. Okay, see them. Let me zoom closer. Can you guys see? So that's the recycle. So that's the recycle vehicle I just showed you guys. So let me quickly grab this recycle to the front before they will come around and pass again, and then I'll be doped. Yeah, she don't mind my face. So I just woke up and my husband called me to do this. So guys, this is my recycle. Let's go drop it to front. This is my recycle. So this is my recycle. So I leave it here for them. So when they come to my street, they can pick it up. So yeah. So this is a charcoal mod. Can you guys see? Pore refining facial mask with charcoal and volcanic ash. So it's for exfoliation and detoxification. What is it? So I'll just use this baby wipes. Just wipes and just wipe my face. I have my mirror here, so I'll be looking this way. So I'll wipe my face, wipe. So why I'm wearing this cap is because I don't want to get to my hairline here, and I'll also be very careful with my eyebrow. So yeah, off a little bit by here so that I can be able to press it out. What it's looking like, can you guys see? There's the marks. Focus on the marks, yeah. So yeah, here we go. Like I said, I have my mirror here, so I'll be looking this way. I apply, careful of my hairlines by here. So I'll leave it on for 15 minutes before I'll wash off. How is my face?
It's cute.
Cute? Like this? What is cute about this?
Because it looks lovely. This is my diary.
So come and tell me how you think. So come and tell me what you think about my face.
Oh,
Don't know what your
Mom, it's
sister...
so good. Mama, I want that too.
You want this too?
Mm-hmm.
You want this face?
Mm-hmm.
See the two of them. No, why is it not glowing very well? Let me blow it. I got this one today in the store, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Let me put this part of this one.
Doesn't get it. I matched it.
Lots of bubbles.
Let me do it for you.
Yeah, so here is it. So come on, show guys. So this one is here. So got the green one. Mama, is this, what is this?
Dinosaur.
Is that a dinosaur? I mean, what is your own?
A unicorn.
You what?
It's a unicorn. Yay! But this it doesn't like pink. I know.
What does it like pink? It's drying because it's getting all tight on my face, like yeah, she normally like it's getting tight in my face, like here. So the hand, this is not the type you peel. I don't think this is the peeling one. You see, so this is not the peeling one. It's not peeling out. So this is just like a mask. It's not the peel off mask. So Yo. So you cannot peel it. It's not the peeling one. You stain your hand. This girl. Yes. So all washed now. All washed. Just had my bath. Dab. My face towel. So this is me dabbing with my face towel because my face is still wet. I just got off the shower. So yeah, me apply my moisturizer. Cindy CJ. A little goes a long way. Cindy CJ, what do you use on your face? This is what I use on my face. My face cream. So if you're interested, if you want, you can let me know. I make it upon request. So if you let me know, I can make for you. So yeah. And then of course my lip balm. You guys already know this lip balm I use. This Camex lip balm. So this is the strawberry one. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this face, about this clear, clean, glowing face. Face is popping, face is hot, face is giving everything.